Today we will learn about the principles of CNC technology. CNC computer numerical control technology is a method of programming automation technology for converting information into mechanical energy. It can control the movement and rotation of CNC machine tools through a computer, thus achieving the processing of various metal and non-metal parts. Simply put, it is controlled by a computer. Machines replace manual labor in the processing of parts, thereby improving production efficiency and product quality. The working principle of CNC technology mainly includes the following steps. The first step is to prepare the graphics and parameters for machining the parts. This can be achieved through computer-aided design software. The second step is to convert the graphics of the machine parts into a machining program and store it on the CNC machine tool. Step 3. Start the CNC machine tool. Move and rotate according to the machining program, so as to achieve the processing of parts. Finally, conduct quality testing on the processed products. Ensure the accuracy and quality of the product. In short, the working principle of CNC technology is very complex, but as long as we strictly follow the procedure, can achieve efficient and high-quality processing results.